Live from the 22 News Broadcast Center, this is 22 News at 5:30.
The ice is preventing homeowners from effectively clearing sidewalks. Tonight at 5:30, we take a look at your property responsibilities. Good evening and welcome to 22 News at 5:30. I'm Ciara Speller.
And I'm Nick Oresco. You might be over the winter weather, but the city of Chicopee still requires you to clear those sidewalks if you're a property owner in the Willimantic neighborhood. Several walkways are still covered with that snow and ice.
And 22 News reporter Nicole Buddy joins us live in studio with how residents are dealing with the storm cleanup.
Ciara, Nick, one resident in the area tells me he's not avoiding this responsibility, but he has about 300 square feet of sidewalks surrounding his home to take care of. In Chicopee, residents in the Willimantic neighborhood are trying to get caught up. Scott is one of them. He was outside his home this afternoon shoveling. He's been working on clearing the sidewalks surrounding his property on Chicopee Street in parts.
This is my third day out here. Once I get done with mine, I'll help anybody that needs it.
Scott tells me with the ice, it makes it difficult to get the area cleared. According to the city of Chicopee, property owners are responsible for cleaning within 24 hours after snowfall. That includes removing ice or placing sand on the ice. Now, there is a fine for not clearing those areas. The first offense is $50. Working for you, Nicole Buddy, 22 News.